is Jacob. So let's try here again. Here start. I don't need to shout. This is, here we start. These names are for Jehovah. See, the name Jehovah does not appear in the New Testament, so they wrote that all these names supposed to be in all these languages. And one of these names is Yakovah in the Zandi language. You see here Yahweh, Jehovah, Hebrew, Yakovah. And here Yakovah, we know it is from Jewish name Yakub. This is in a city in Kosovo, Albania. Albanian city is Jakova. See here. Then we have Jakova here in Kosovo, Albania. And here we have also uh, Joe Biden, Lord Almighty, to Joe Biden, my child, come down from your chariot. You see also King Anu chariot, I'm showing it. Here we have pronouncing the name actually is uh, to Yud K Vav K. So Yud K Vav K. Let's see here. So Yud K Vav K, Yud K Vav K, Yud W Y. So Y H V H. It's the original is Y K V K. Y K V K. You see here, people, is Yahweh. So they changed the letter K to H. The letter K here become H, and the letter K here become H. So this is Yakovak. So here you see Yakovak is the name of Yahweh. Yakovah. And this is Yakovah. They say the name is from Yaakov. But Yakovah is the name of Yahweh. Jehovah. Understand, people? So this is, and we know that Marduk is Zeus. Zeus is the Jewish god, people. Zeus is the Jewish god, and Zeus is Marduk. So see here, Yahweh Jupiter. Yahweh Jupiter. I will punish Marduk, god of Babylon. This is El speaking. Marduk. This is Marduk, people, with the dragon. Marduk is associated with the planet Jupiter. Yahweh Jupiter. I will punish Marduk. Yahweh Jupiter. Yahweh is Jupiter. I will punish Marduk. Marduk is associated with the planet Jupiter. Zeus is the Jewish god. So Zeus is Jupiter, Marduk. So here, Jakovac, YHWH is actually YKWK. So they changed the letter K here and K here to letter H. That's why they changed the name, original name Yakovac to Yahweh. So Yakovac is Yakub. How we know Yakovac is Yakub? Yakovac is Yakub. Yakovac or Yakova, name from the Jewish name Yakub. So nobody noticed this one. Anyways, so now you know that thing. So we have Spaceship of King Anu, and we have some footage, and then we're gonna finish. We're gonna make this video very short. And this is starting from 28 August. Here, start 28 August. You see here, 28 August. Make it big for you. 28 August. So yesterday, see here, Spaceship of King Anu coming out near near from the horizon. Because of the clouds, you don't see a lot. And it comes like that. Then it goes like here, stretching. And this is 28 also, another sighting. 28 August 16. 28 August 1614. And here we have it. And this is another sighting later on, 28 August 1617. 3 minutes later. And this is, I said, I keep always a picture for first sighting to have the date on. So this is spaceship from the sighting from yesterday. Here it goes up, up. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. You see how it's doing. And here it goes. This nice picture here. Gonna take it on thumbnail. And here it disappears. Here. And this one here. This one here. This one here. And this one here. So here, because of the clouds, you don't see a lot. This here, you see how it's doing. And this is here. This is here. See, this one we cannot take. Gonna put it on the thumbnail. So now you know Jacob is Yahweh or Yahweh is Jacob. But because it's a prophet cannot have the name of his God. So now you know when I say, I believe in the Old Testament Bible, and I believe in the verse, I will punish Marduk, and I believe Jacob is a real person. So Jehovah is not a real people, it's fictional deity, but his name is taken out from Jacob. But Zeus is real, and Marduk is real, and Jupiter is real. This one is good as well. Take this one, Spaceship of King Anu. This one here. This one here above the church. And this one here. This is you have seen. This is you have seen. This one. This one yesterday. See how it's looking. We're gonna take this one. And this one is also good. Take this one. And this is from today, 2029. See it? How's it going? I made it big for you here. And here we have it. See how it's doing. This one is very, very good. This one. You need to put this on the thumbnail, I believe. I need to do it, not you. But I mean, this one maybe. This one is good as well. And this one. You see the clouds how it's doing? Very nice indeed. And here the clouds, strange. And this one. Very nice pictures from today, actually. And this one is very, very nice, actually. People will not see it. Like this. Here it disappears. Here almost disappear in the clouds. And here it goes. And here it goes. So these are the pictures. I have a sighting. I have one link that I want to show you how the Jews are preferring to their God as existing in a chariot, like I show you Spaceship of Anu, and people they say, "Oh, God does not need a chariot because God is Almighty and He's everywhere, and He does not." This is the site. So this is the site. This is the link, people. The prophets post WordPress. Lord Almighty to Joe Biden, my child, come down from your chariot. So, whose chariot we're talking about here? They are referring to Jehovah. Actually, we have shown with evidence that God Anu, he has a chariot. So, this is the footage I want to show you. This is the footage I want to show you, people. So, you have seen this one. Was this with the colors? So, reflecting here. See the colors? So if it was a lens flare, it shouldn't change from one day to other. It was with the colors here, blue and yellow. And you have seen this footage, of course. I showed it before. And the second day, or some days later on, it comes like that. So it is different each night. And last night was very, very different. I was amazed. And we're gonna put the picture on the thumbnail. See here, it is double. Look carefully, you see it's double. One is real and one lens flare, I believe. But one remain. We didn't do the cloud test. We are not sure. Of course, this stuff is not seen with naked eyes. This is the moon. And you see how it's doing. See how it's doing. We cannot say what it is. This is what we have from yesterday. And I'm going to take a thumbnail. You missed that one. You see how we're showing the waves. People know that this is actually a live footage. So we do have here from this one. Yeah, this is one. Yeah, we go back here. See here. I'm not sure it's supposed to show me to copyright. It takes the sound. Let's do it one more time. This is the one. Like I said, we don't know what it is. I'm not sure about that one. And from yesterday, we need to do the cloud test, of course, because nothing to. We cannot know. We cannot assume stuff unless we have evidence. We don't have the evidence yet. Anyways, I have footage here also. I believe Spaceship of Anu. This one. Information. Okay. This is the moon. Let's see the other one here. Yeah, so this is where we had this shape with the colors. We thought maybe this is a lens flare, but because it was changing from one day to other, we were not sure. So this you have seen. So we move on to the second one. We move on. This one you didn't see one. This one is actually from Monday, 25 August. I'm not sure you have showed this one. So I missed this one. This is the moon, of course. So you don't have sound. Uh, I'm wiping out the screen because of the dust, no reflection and stuff. Also trying to avoid that one. See that we have double shape in the sky. So yeah, just want to say that Jacob is Jehovah. Very, very upset. Many people will be upset. They will not like this one. Was what I'm saying. But I show what evidence and how I proved that one. And I know this is a major, major issue for people to accept that. They will not like it at all. So hopefully this we will manage. Please like and share so I continue my message here. And this is Spaceship of King Anu, people. You see here we have an UFO here. UFO above. You see how it's doing. UFO. Why I say UFO? Because it disappears in the middle of the sky. And this Spaceship of King Anu, you see how it's doing? Going very fast. So we know by now how it is doing, what it's moving in the sky, wiping out the screen I'm filming. Spaceship of King Anu, of course we know it, how it is moving as like a fish swimming in the sea. Very nice indeed to watch. Here it disappears. And let's take the other one. This is from yesterday. This is the UFO I was talking about here. You're gonna watch it how it is they're doing. Then we're gonna finish. I hope this video will be money. Of course, this is not a star. You might think a star because you see here the western side of the lamp, and this is the east side of the lamp, and it's going to the east. And it will disappear in the middle of the earth, so you know that this is a lens flare. Sorry, you know this is not a lens flare, but actually not a star, but actually an UFO. Here it disappears. You saw it disappear? Wow, the 7 minutes here. Why? I know because I was watching this stuff. This stuff is people. I'm taking pictures now. Maybe I'll use it on the thumbnail. I have 6 minutes to go, and yeah, I don't know what to say about that. It's just showing it. I showed it before, and this is the UFO. You see how it's doing. UFO, not a plane, not a drone, not a helicopter, because it disappears in the middle of the air. Not a star. It's moving actually, although very slowly. See here, it will go up here and then will disappear. See how it's doing. So yeah, these guys who believe Jehovah is God, you need to check this out with Zeus, Marduk, Jupiter. Just check it out. And if you believe in the Old Testament Bible, you should know that God has said, I will punish Marduk, who is Zeus, who is Jupiter, just like we showed. So it went from the east side to the middle of the above the lamp. It's going here to the east, from the west. And I say this is UFO because it disappears in the middle of the air. If it was a plane or a drone or helicopter, it would not disappear. So I'm saying here it disappears very soon. Still have it, still have it, still have it, still have it, still see it, disappear. You saw that, people? There's nothing above the line. Here's this shape. We need to investigate. We need to do the cloud test before we can know what it is. And of course, this is not seen the naked eyes. With the naked eyes, this is because of infrared web camera. Take a picture, then we finish. Hopefully, you like this one. Uh, Hopefully, you like this one. Please like and share. Blessings.